Hello everyone, today I'd like to do a short review of unboxing these inflatable SUP or a board by RAYSEA. It's a sky blue color. What I like that they wrap everything in a very nice box, and there's a very good tip that there may be some smell coming out when you open up the first time, so that you don't be scared. So we're gonna open up and see what's inside. So this SUP comes with its own bag. As you can see, this is the bag. It weighs around 11 kilos, so I'm gonna remove the bag and we'll see what's inside. I pulled up the bag. The board itself is here. It's neatly packed, as you can see. And let's see the contents of the bag. So it has instructions on how you can inflate it, the pump, the oar. That's a fin that you can attach at the bottom, and some other stuff. So I haven't used this before, so I'm gonna test it out and let you know. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to using it.